was a momentous week for America. 100 years ago, in the early days of the 20th century, it was clear that there were momentous choices to be made, choices about the borders of nations and the rights of human beings. So this is a momentous day in the history of Libya.
We are sharing in a momentous event, recognizing and celebrating that design is everywhere and impacts all of us.
And that's why every president gains a greater appreciation for all of those who served before them, for the leaders from both parties who've taken on the momentous challenges and felt the enormous weight of the nation on their shoulders. And he didn't stop there. Even though his advisors again told him to wait, again told him, let the dust settle. Let the country absorb this momentous